The nature of God is a circle of which the center is everywhere and the circumference is nowhere. I can find God in nature, in animals, in birds and the environment. Nature's great masterpiece, an elephant, the only harmless great thing. We must all obey the great law of change. It's human nature to gripe, but I'm going ahead and doing the best I can. All the 7 deadly sins are man's true nature. One can ascend to a higher development only by bringing rhythm and repetition into one's life. Yoga is the settling of the mind into silence. I think it is in collaboration that the nature of art is revealed. Nature cannot be tricked or cheated.